Exhale, chin down, look down. Inhale, look up and slowly bring your head back side. Exhale, down. Last round. Inhale, look up and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Exhale slowly, chin down. Try to touch your chin on your upper chest and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, tuck both hands parallel, shoulder level. Exhale, bend the neck to the right side, look to the left side. Inhale, take a left hand up. Exhale, bend the neck to the left side, look to the right side. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Exhale, bend the neck to the right side as much as. Inhale, take a left hand up. Exhale to the left side, look to the right side. Inhale, last round. Exhale and hold here. 1, 2, try to touch your right ear on your right shoulder. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, exhale to the left side and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, inhale and exhale. Catch your waist and slowly rotate your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now from this anti-clockwise. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now look forward and close your eyes. Take a deep inhale. Hold your breath. Don't breathe out. Close your eyes. Maintain the balance. Exhale. Now inhale. Raise your hands up. Interlock your finger. Lift your heel higher. Stretch your whole body maximum. Exhale, bend forward, take both hands parallel, head down. Try to look down and look back. Inhale, slowly, gently come back. Raise your hands up, interlock your fingers, look up. Try to keep your arms and legs straight. Exhale, bend forward, go more down, look between your both legs and look back side. Inhale, raise your hands up. Last round. Interlock your finger, look up and hold your. Maintain the balance. 1, 2, 3. Try to find the balance. 4, 5 and 6. Exhale, bend forward, go more down. Try to keep your spine straight. Hand beside your side and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, raise your hands up. Now interlock your finger and stretch your both arms and exhale, side bend, right side, look up. Inhale, exhale, bring your both arms to the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, try to straight your arms. Inhale, come back. Exhale to the left side, look up, squeeze your belly. Inhale, last round. Exhale to the right side and hold here. 1, try to squeeze your belly. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale to the left side. Look up and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, open the hands and exhale. Interlock your finger and twist the spine to the right side. Bring your both hands above the height. Inhale, look forward, take both hands parallel. Exhale, bend the knee, catch your ankle, hip down, look down, open the knee as massage. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, interlock your finger, twist the spine to the left side. Try to keep your leg straight. Inhale, take both hands parallel. Exhale, catch your ankle, go more down. Look forward little bit, try to touch your chin down. Inhale, come back, raise your hands up. Exhale to the right side, try to keep your leg straight. Inhale, exhale, catch your ankle, head down, open the knees. Inhale, up, exhale to the left side, keep your arms straight, leg straight. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, bend the knee, head down. Last round. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale to the right side and hold it. 1, try to keep your toes straight. 2, twist your spine more. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, exhale, bend forward and catch your ankle and try to touch your head down and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale to the left side and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, take both hands parallel. Exhale, catch your ankle, head down, look down and hold here. 1, try to touch your chin on the mat. 2, go more down, open the heel. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale. Now bring your right hand downward and catch your right leg and lift your left hand back side. Try to push your hip forward, keep your leg straight. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend the knee, join your both palms to the right side. Look up, come to the Namaskar Mudra. Twist your spine, hip down. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale to the left side. Slowly walk your finger downward and lift your right hand up. Inhale, exhale to the left side. Look up, open the elbows. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bring your right hand downward. Bring your left hand back side. Inhale, exhale, twist your spine and join your both palms. Look up. Inhale, up. Exhale to the left side. Try to keep your leg straight. Inhale, up. Exhale to the left side. Open the legs. Last round. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, drop your right hand down on your right leg and bring your left hand back side and hold it. Try to push your hip forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend the knees, drop your left elbow on your right thigh, look up, twist your spine and hold here. 1, try to push your hip downward. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale to the left side, drop your left hand down, right hand up and hold here. Try to push your hip forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, join your both palms to the left side, look up and hold here. 1, open the knees. 2, 3, hip down. 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, look at me, open the legs edge of the mat, raise your hands up. Exhale, bring your both arms behind your back side, roll your shoulder behind. Try to push your hip forward, try to keep your leg straight. Inhale, look forward, interlock your finger. Exhale, completely bend forward, try to keep your leg straight and try to open the shoulder as much as. Inhale, look up and slowly look back, push your hip forward. Exhale, bend forward, keep your arms and legs straight, go more down. Inhale, try to push your hip forward, look back, roll your shoulder behind. Exhale, bend forward, slowly downward, keep your leg straight. Last round. Inhale, exhale. Now push your hip forward, roll your shoulder behind and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bend forward and hold here. 1, try to stretch your both arms. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now look at me, come front of the mat, join your both leg. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, push your hip forward, bring your both hands behind your back side and slowly arch back. Look at the both hands. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, drop your both palms beside your feet and little bit go forward, head down, keep your leg straight. Inhale, bring your right leg back side, look up, push your hip down, bend the left knee 90 degree. Exhale, come to the plank, look down or look forward, keep your leg straight, drop your knees and chin and chest down, hip up, look forward. Inhale, come to the cobra, look up, arch back, roll your shoulder behind. Exhale, come to the down facing dog, feet together, try to push your shoulder down, keep your leg straight, spine straight. Now inhale, lift your right leg up higher. Exhale, bring your right leg forward between your both hands. Okay, look up, push your hip down. Exhale, bring your left leg forward, feet together. Try to touch your forehead on the legs, keep your spine straight. Inhale, raise hands up. Now from here, bend the knee, try to push your hip downward and squeeze your belly, arm straight. Exhale, bend forward, head down, try to touch your forehead on the leg. Inhale, we will do with other leg, left leg back side, look up, try to push your hip down. Exhale, bring your right leg back side, come to the plank, drop your knees, chin and chest down. Inhale, roll your shoulder behind, come to the cobra, bend the elbow, arch back. Exhale, come to the down facing dog, try to keep your leg straight and spine straight. Inhale, lift your left leg higher. Exhale, bring your left leg forward between your both hands, bend the left knee 90 degree, look up, right leg forward, join your both leg, head down. Now inhale, raise your hands up and exhale, come to the relaxation.